Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Ledger Live. First, you will need to download and install the official Ledger Live application onto your computer or mobile device. It's crucial to get it from the official Ledger website to ensure security. Next, make sure your Ledger hardware wallet is fully charged and has the most recent firmware. Finally, prepare your Ledger device by connecting it to your computer using the USB cable that came with it. Once Ledger Live is open, select the Get Started option to initiate the setup. The application will then guide you through connecting your Ledger device. You'll need to unlock your device by entering your personal PIN code directly on the hardware wallet. After entering your PIN, Ledger Live will ask you to confirm the connection on your device itself. Simply press both buttons simultaneously to proceed. Now that your device is connected, navigate to the Accounts section inside Ledger Live and click on Add Account. You will then choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to manage, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Make sure to open the corresponding application on your Ledger device at this point. Ledger Live will then automatically synchronize with your hardware wallet to detect and securely add your existing cryptocurrency accounts. To ensure smooth operation, always keep both your Ledger Live application and your device's firmware updated to their latest versions. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple fix is often trying a different USB port or restarting both your computer and your Ledger device. Most importantly, never, under any circumstances, share your 24-word recovery phrase with anyone. It is the master key to all your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.